Up next, we have Profound Impact. Huge round of applause to welcome Profound Impact to the startup pitch stage at Collision. All right, so we'll start that a little differently. Huge round of applause for our amazing audience that is here at Startup Pitch. So give yourselves a great round of applause. Yeah, okay, very good, loud. Now, huge round of applause for Profound Impact to have a great pitch here on the stage. Huge round of applause.
Thank you.
There you go.
Good morning. My name is Sherry Shannon-Vanstone, and I'm the president and CEO and founder of Profound Impact. With over $300 billion in global research funding, there are over 100,000 of industry partners and over 8.8 million researchers. Finding a match between academia, industry, and grants is overwhelming and consuming. In fact, the 300 million in research funding, it's estimated that a third of it is squandered and not used effectively. What if there was a way that we could automatically match funding opportunities with academic and researchers? This problem is a huge problem because it's a drain on our society. We really need to get the most for the research dollars. So what if there was a product such as this that would do the automatic matching? And there is. It's called Research Impact, an AI-based solution that provides the perfect match that's best fit for the researchers and the funding opportunities. It is a SaaS-based product with an easy-to-use dashboard and UI. It has patent-pending differentiators in the matching algorithms that have machine learning and AI components. It is a streamlined, efficient communications and workflow, and it has a robust database with global funding opportunities. The market is over $1 billion per year. We have our go-to-market strategy. We utilize our connections with leading Canadian research organizations, and we continue to work with validating our pricing model and ROI. We're expanding into the U.S. via our partners. Our customers are universities, colleges, individual researchers, and industry partners. We're a SaaS-based subscription service on a tiered basis per annual subscription. We do have competition, but we lead in every area. We have an experienced senior management team. I myself am a serial tech entrepreneur, having had 5 startups and successful exits in both Silicon Valley and the Toronto-Waterloo corridor with 2 IPOs and 2 acquisitions. We have over 20 years in SaaS development and marketing. We are raising $3 million. We've already closed 2.25 of that in our first tranche, and we will close the remaining by August 4th. So I hope you will join me in investing in Profound Impact and getting the most for the research dollars and connecting great people to do great things. Thank you.
Fantastic. Judges, questions?
Hi there, thank you for that. Just quickly, can you tell us a little bit about your strategy for acquiring more research institutions and academics institutions?
Yes, so what we're doing right now is with the U15, that's the top universities in Canada. We're working both with the Office of Research, where this sets centrally the matching of grants to researchers, but we're also working with individual faculties. We're seeing that there's a shorter time for acquisitions to that. We also are targeting colleges. Our competitors do not do that. So with our colleges, we work with centers of excellence. Instead of just one researcher, a group of researchers, and then we can bring in industry partners and the funding opportunity.
Thank you.
I'm close to deep innovation like that, so I can attest, how big of an issue it is to actually go through grants and whatnot. So I'm glad to see this solution. 2 questions. You were really quick on the competition slide.
Yep.
I'd love to hear you more on what makes you special and why you think you can win. And the corollary question to this is, I don't understand the business model of charging upfront $50K instead of getting a percentage, because a lot of other like-minded agency get a cut of what they get you at the door. So I want to hear you on those 2 points.
Yes. Okay. Sorry I didn't have a lot of time to spend on the competition. What we do differently is that there's 2 major areas. One is that we use AI and machine learning with fine-tuning the matches, which our competitors do not do, and also with our communications is streamlined. So that's our biggest differentiator. So the patent pending differentiators that I mentioned during my talk. We have discussed with some organizations, especially with industry partners, about the pricing model of a percentage of what they can bring in. Universities have pushed back on that model, but the industry partners are in line with it. What I mean by that is, I should say, the researchers don't like that because they think that we're taking some of their money off the table.
And if I may ask a full-on question on the business model, do you ever plan to actually showcase that database to industrial partners looking to work more closely to universities and
Yes, that's what we do, and that's why we bring in the industry partners, that many times you need an industry partner for a funding opportunity, but we also believe that that's a huge opportunity, a growth area too. Yes.
Excellent. Thank you. Profound Impact.
Thank
Round
you.
of applause.